Just looking at my tripod here, well, one of my tripods. It's quite an old one that I picked up in a charity shop. And I've just noticed this little piece is split and broken. So I'm just wondering if I can 3D print a replacement. So that'll be a little project to have a go at. Right, well that's what I've printed. Still on its little raft. That looks like that's a good fit. The only thing is I don't actually remember what it does. I assume, yeah, it holds that piece. Don't know whether it's working or not. Oh, certainly a tight fit. If I'd have left a, oh no, I couldn't leave a hole in the top because there was a little hexagonal bit in there. Well, it fits. I need to trim off the rough edges there because that's actually sticking in my finger, so I'm turning it. Okay, well, we'll class that one as a success. I take that back. It was a success for a little while until I tried doing it up extra tight, and then I don't think we can actually see, but the little hexagonal bit in there just broke off. So I'm going to print it again as a solid fill rather than that one's clearly hollow, and see if it's any stronger as a solid fill. Yeah, I mean it grips, but that hexagonal bit in the middle made absolutely sure, because it went into the hexagonal hole in the head of the bolt. Okay, well, I don't think I'll bother filming version 2 because it'll be identical. It'll just be solid fill instead of hollow. I did say I wasn't going to film version 2, but we might as well give it a try. So, version 2, this time printed solid. I don't turn it too tight. That does seem to be gripping at the moment. Certainly working better so far, but then it might have been tightened up so much before the other one didn't stand a chance, and I've loosened it since then. Okay, let's take that off. I don't tighten it up too much, but that certainly seems to be doing the job at the moment. I suspect it won't last very long. In fact, I think that might have gone now. Yeah, that's gone. Oh, it's still in place. Oh, what's happened there? Maybe I just didn't have it fully home. Yeah, that's still in place. That looks like I'm not getting it actually all the way onto the hexagonal bit. I suppose I could just try and tap it on, couldn't I? Yeah, it certainly hasn't broken off. I'm just not getting it all the way in there, and it's sliding out. What I could do is warm that up and then push it in so it goes fully home. I'll try that. Right, I just heated it up and pushed it fully home so it's actually flush now. So it's gone in about another millimetre. Oh yes. I still think I'll break it, but that's made a lot of difference. That's actually set it, because the outside of the head was ridged, and I'd made the inside of that ridged, but they weren't the same number of ridges. So I think what's happened now is heating it up, it's made it fit, I suppose is the best way to put it. You see people fitting metal fittings into this PLA by heating them up on a soldering iron and pushing them home. So that's effectively what I've done, although I didn't use a soldering iron. I used our gas hob in the kitchen. There. Well, I'm not going to stress it to breaking point this time. But that seems to have done the job finally. Maybe, perhaps. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.